Ooh, somebody's been a naughty housewife. Is this thing on? You'll never guess who's on the cover of November's Playboy magazine. It's Marge Simpson. Okay, that wasn't the actual magazine, it's just my script. The magazine's not going to hit newsstands until October 16th. But come on, is nothing sacred to these people? I mean, sure, Marge has been naked all over the internet doing God knows what, but at least on the internet you have to go searching for it. But this is Playboy. Anyone can get a Playboy. Kids are going to be seeing Marge naked before they actually get a chance to use the internet. I guess everything nowadays is looking for younger users, trying to get them hooked early, I guess. The newly hired chief executive actually was quoted saying that they wanted to reach younger readers. Calm down, he didn't mean children. No, actually, they wanted to change their demographic from 35-year-olds to 20-year-olds. I've read a few Playboys. They're not really what a lot of 20-year-olds are looking for at this stage in time. Yeah, I'm not really a fan of Playboy, but for this issue, I'm giving them a thumbs up. Yeah, it doesn't really surprise me that much. Billionaire clown just returned from his 11-day trip through space. Yeah, I read this story, and all I could picture was the alien clowns coming to destroy us all. I hate clowns. Guy This guy, also known as the founder of the Cirque du Soleil, Canadian billionaire clown, was tagging along on a trip to go pick up two cosmonauts from the International Space Station. What I really want to know is what's the difference between a cosmonaut and an astronaut? I mean, really. He used this trip to bring awareness to his nonprofit foundation known as One Drop. The foundation is hoping to combat world poverty by giving everybody clean water. Okay, I'm all for this idea and all that, but I don't see how giving everybody clean water is going to end world poverty. I mean, sure, bottled water is expensive as shit, but still, it's only water. He'd actually set up different performances in different cities all over the world to, bring awareness to this foundation while he was in space. People such as Al Gore, Matthew McConaughey, Shakira, Selma Hayek, and band U2 showed up at these performances. Maybe I'm just missing the idea behind this foundation. Maybe everybody's just thirsty. I mean, normally when I'm thirsty, I just go drink out of my faucet. Sure, the water's probably diseased and full of, like, bacteria and all that, but whatever doesn't kill you just makes you stronger. I really shouldn't be able to find anything funny about this next story, but I have a sick sense of humor. So a recent study has shown that obese people are less likely to commit suicide. They don't mean they're less likely to try suicide, they're actually just less likely to succeed at it. I was sitting here reading this and all I could think was, this is fucked up. I mean, is this really what we're paying our scientists to study? What the hell? Studies show that states with higher rates of obesity actually had lower rates of suicides with guns, poison, and suffocation. They say that the reason why poison doesn't really work that well is because you need a higher dose for obese people, and suffocation doesn't work because the steps taken to do it are too burdensome and uncomfortable. Oh, well, excuse me, I didn't know you had to be comfortable to die. I figured maybe you could just put up with a little pain for a couple of seconds, because pretty soon you're not going to feel anything at all. It didn't give any explanation as to why the guns doesn't work, but I'm guessing it's probably because the bullets have to travel through more stuff to actually reach any vital organs or anything. Which still doesn't make sense because if you're going to kill yourself, I'm pretty sure you're aiming for your head. Oh, Mrs. Simpson.